Hello friends, welcome to the channel Law and Government Job Exam Cluster. In this video we are going to discuss the post of Senior Grade of Indian Information Service in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, which has been notified by the UPSC through advertisement number 09/2021. Before going further, I would request you to kindly subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon and like button. Also post your comment and queries in the comment section. The Union Public Service Commission has notified for the post of Senior Grade of Indian Information Service in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting through advertisement number 09/2021, for which the vacancy number is 21070904424. There are total 34 vacancies which has been notified. For the unreserved it is 17. For the AWS category it is 3 posts. Other backward classes 8 posts. Scheduled caste 4 posts, scheduled tribes 2 posts, personal with disabilities 2 posts, thereby total making 34 posts. It is in the pay scale level 7. The basic initially would be 44,900 plus total eminence including 44,900 plus DA plus HRA plus traveling allowance. So these would be the salary, which comes to approximately 80,000 per month. The age requirement is not exceeding 30 years as on normal closing date. The normal closing date for this advertisement is 12th of August 2021. And for now 35 years for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, 33 years for other backward classes, and 45 years for SC/ST candidates and 43 years for other backward classes candidates who are in the government service. 40 years for person with benchmark disabilities. So these are the ages, maximum age requirement to apply for these posts. What are the requirement? Degree of a recognized university or institute, diploma or postgraduate diploma in journalism or mass communication from a recognized university or institution, or degree in journalism and mass communication from a recognized university or institute. Candidate must have studied concerned Indian language up to 10th class. Experience requirement is 2-year experience of journalism, publicity or public relation work in a government department, public sector undertaking, autonomous organizations, news agency, newspaper registered with the Registrar of Newspaper of India, or any other listed private organization. For the direct recruitment to the post of Senior Grade of Indian Information Service shall be made language wise. There shall be no category wise, community wise reservation for any of the following languages. Languages are Hindi. Out of total vacancies, 9 posts are for Hindi vacancy. For English 3 vacancies, Punjabi 3 vacancies, Telugu 5 vacancies, Oriya 3 vacancies, Bengali 1 vacancy, Marathi 5 vacancies, Gujarati 1 vacancy, Assamese 2 vacancy, and Manipuri 2 vacancies. So out of the total 34 vacancies which has been notified, these are the language wise discipline vacancies which people can apply. So but you should have passed the 10th examination with these languages in order to apply for these language post in Senior Grade Information Service. There will be a probation of 2 years and the headquarters would be at New Delhi. The posts are located in different media units, field or units in the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting all over country, and these posts are permanent. So these posts are, as already told by the UPSC, these are the permanent posts and these are the central government job posts, and for the last date for which is 12th of August 2021. Candidates who wish to apply for these posts can apply, and whosoever is interested and eligible can apply for these posts. So these are a very wonderful opportunities for the candidates who are in the different language fields and have done their essential qualification as provided in the advertisement. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this video and have a very nice day.